What are you getting? Yes. Hey sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy and today we are in Cannes, which is really exciting, and it is Julia's last week and she really wants to go to Monaco. Monaco is not far from Cannes, so that is what we're going to do today. But because Cannes is a tender port, crew aren't allowed to get off until 12 because obviously we want to let all the sailors go first. So we are going to go for brunch, a razzle dazzle, because food in like Cannes and Monaco is obviously really expensive. So we were like, let's eat here on the ship for free and then go out into Monaco and explore. So yeah, we are going to go to razzle dazzle and then we're going to get off in Cannes and make our way to Monaco. And I thought I'd vlog it because I think it's going to be a really lovely day. Razzle dazzle. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning,
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stars.
Let's go! Yeah, beautiful, thank you. So just got back from Razzle Dazzle. It was lovely. There was obviously a group of 8 of us, which was super nice, all work in the shops. And they're just amazing people. But I'm absolutely stuffed now, which is great. So I have 15 minutes and then we are going to head out into Cannes, but I think it's like 35 degrees. So I'm going to change into all white because I want to be as cool as possible. And then we're gonna go. Okay, so we are all changed. We are in white. Gonna get on the tender.
I can wait, and remember this. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other.
Yes, we are in Cannes, and it's so beautiful. You come out from the tender port, this is where you come to. Beautiful, you've got the yachts lined up on the right here. Ah, so pretty. Yeah. Angelica, you're looking stunning today. Woo! Ready for Monaco, baby! So we are just making our way to the train station where we are going to catch the train to Monaco. Pardon the train. This is Angelica and Tom, a couple of years. Hola. Hola. Yeah, that's us. Yeah, so making our way to the train station. But I tell you what, I've said it in previous videos, like I don't really like getting off in tender ports because, as you saw, tenders are just such a faff. However, Cannes will always be a tender port because they don't have a dock big enough for the ship. But you know what, it's worth it. It's just such a beautiful place. Like I would honestly say, one of the very few places that is worth dealing with the tenders is Cannes and Monaco, because it's just so beautiful. Okay, so I think we're coming up to the train station, and this literally it was a 15-minute walk from where the tender drops you off, so it's not far at all. So we're just going to queue up at this machine. So we've all got our tickets and we're all using them as fans because it is so hot. Monte Carlo.
No going back, there's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights.
So we have just got off the train in Monte Carlo. The train ride was an hour and 20 minutes, which is fine. Air-conditioned train. We were having a laugh. It was nice. So we've just got here, and we didn't actually come with a plan. We just wanted to see Monte Carlo. So we're just going to walk around. I think we're going to head to the famous casino to get some nice pictures. Okay. Yeah. And everything that Monte Carlo has to offer. It was a good idea to bring a fan.
Absolutely.
My God. Look at the roof. Oh,
Here's the one.
absolutely stunning. Ooh, Hermes.
That one on this side of the road.
Okay, here we go. This is where we're going to see some nice cars, hopefully. Wow. 1, 2, 3. What a number plate. This matte black Porsche. Wow. Wow. Café de Paris. Shopping centre. Yeah. Wow, the entrance to this shopping centre. My God. That's as you walk in. No, normal dining area in a shopping mall. Okay, so me and Julia have shared a pizza and they've split it in half for us, which is nice.
And then they go, we can't help you. They go, please go to the website for anyone that's like, see.
Angelica has a Caesar salad. Wow. Jess has a cheeseburger. Oh my God. It's just stunning. Yeah, we're in Louis Vuitton. What are you getting? Yeah. So exciting. So Angelica's happy. She's got her Louis Vuitton. So it's now 6 p.m. and we've just actually had dinner at the restaurant, and then we've just been to Louis Vuitton. So I think we're going to head back to Cannes now, because as amazing as Monaco is, unless you have money to burn, isn't really much. I mean, I'm sure there is. I'm sure we just haven't researched properly. But like, yeah, we're just gonna go back to Cannes and maybe go for a few drinks and wander around Cannes, because Cannes is just as beautiful as Monaco. So. That brand.
Oh no, wait, she's been to the... Can we go to the...
Did she get the...
From the...
What flavour did you get, Dan?
Chocolate.
I'm sorry. Chocolate, a chocolate ice cream sandwich. Oh, what did you get?
Coffee.
Is it great? Is it as good as it looks? Is it the best ice cream sandwich you've ever had?
No, not the best ever.
Okay.
That one the other day was the best ever.
In Cagliari,
yeah.
really?
It's like Wolves brand or something.
We are back at the train station. We're going to catch up the train back now. Not because we need to, we're here overnight, but because, like I said, we just feel like we've seen what we want to see. And it is so hot. It's like 36 degrees. Getting the tickets. So we have just got off the train and we're walking through Cannes now, and we've decided that we're going to go and just sit on the beach because it is a lovely evening. It is boiling still, so we're going to go and get some, I think, champagne and orange juice is the plan, so we can make some little mimosas and sit on the beach and have a little drink to finish our day.
Let's go.
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
So we just walked back. We're just going to catch the tender now, back to the ship. But that was such a nice day. So glad we went to Monaco. Loved that little drink that we just had on the rocks looking at beautiful Cannes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have had a wonderful day, whatever you've chose to do. And as always, I will see you in the next video.